Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change size in Canva, both for image size and ratio. So let's say I want to increase the size of this logo. I just select this and then I drag it from these corners. Okay, so we're increasing the size that way, right? And then I can place it properly. What you can also do, guys, if I am increasing it, as you can see, you'll see the width and height ratios. So that is also increasing. As you can see, the width is about 1.2 inches and the height is 0.8. We can also do is click on position here. And then here, if you come down to the advanced tab, you'll see the width and height in inches. Okay. You can edit it from here as well. So this is proportional for now. And there you go. So 1 inch by 0.68. Can do the same thing here if you would like. So you make sure this is at least 1 inches wide. And there we go. We can resize that and place it there. Okay. That's perfect, right? And there you go, guys. It's really that easy and simple.